Welcome to AP Precalculus in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. Topic 1.1 is titled Change in Tandem. It deals with input and output values. A function is a mathematical relation where there is a set of input, x's, and output, y values, such that each input value is mapped to one exact output value. Input values are the domain of a function and the independent variable. Output values are the range and the dependent variable. A function is increasing if, as the input values increase, the output values always increase. A function is decreasing if, as the input values increase, the output values always decrease. Moving over to graphs. The graph of a function displays a set of input-output pairs that shows how the values of the function's input and output values vary. Rate of change is a graph's slope. A graph is concave up when the rate of change is increasing or when it looks like a U. A graph is concave down when the rate of change is decreasing and it looks like an upside down U. Whenever a graph intersects the x-axis, the output value or y value is 0, meaning the corresponding x's or input values are said to be the zeros of the function. The equation to know here is y equals mx plus b, where x is the input, y is the output, m is the slope or rate of change, and b is the y-intercept, or whenever the graph crosses the y-axis. On the screen now are 4 equations you need to know how to solve using this equation for this topic. Pause now. I'll put the work and answers on the screen now. See you in the next one.